Jai Hind, guys. So today we are in Meghalaya and we just came out of Shillong. It's a beautiful weather. You can see the floating clouds there, and on the way to the famous Cherrapunji, the area which was still a few years back was the wettest region of the world. So Cherrapunji is a mesmerizing place. So on the way we are stopping here, which is a famous location near Mokkodok. Mokkodok is the name of the place, and there is a very old building which is now converted into a cafe. Now this is the cafe, and here this is called Cherrapunji Cafe. It's very beautifully made structure. I guess it's like a British architecture, and we came. There's the main road there. You can see the main road there, and this is the way you drop in here, and here are some cottages they have made. Now this property is now being managed by MTDC, that means Meghalaya Tourism Development Corporation. So the front view looks like this, and you know, there's a line of pine trees there. Behind, beautiful blue sky and floating clouds, and I have with me two beautiful ladies. So hi. So can you introduce yourself? A short introduction.
I'm Mona. I am Bilwa's favorite SIL.
So how do you find the place, Mona?
It's very pretty, it's very beautiful. We have been coming here for quite some time, but unfortunately again we couldn't enter. But yeah, we are taking some pictures outside.
Fantastic.
And we had a very nice drive in Kushak. We just inaugurated.
Oh, so nice. Thank you so much for your kind words. And here, let's meet Neil. Hi. So how?
So same here. I have come here multiple times, but every time, unfortunately, I'm not able to experience the cafe from inside. But it's a really beautiful cottage here on the way to Cherrapunji, and yeah, and enjoyed the drive in Kushak, of course.
Thank you so much. Thank you. So these are the honest opinions. These two beautiful girls are basically Shillong girls, but now not settled in Shillong. They are working elsewhere. But whenever they get a chance, they visit Shillong, their hometown. And now I am there to take care of them. And this is so. This is a brief, description of this cafe, this place. So signing off, Eddie Roy.
On way to Cherrapunji with Eddie Roy.
Hi. We're off to Cherrapunji with two beautiful girls, and in my new ivory Tusker. So you can see the Cherrapunji roads are so beautiful, the scenery is so beautiful. It's breathtaking, in fact. And I can bet it looks much beautiful than what you can see in the screen.
So we are on our way to Garden of Caves, one of the very sought after tourist destinations at Saura Cherrapunji. So this is the way towards that place called Garden of Caves, and it's Sunday, so the shops are closed, but there are many local people on the way. They are all going to church or come back from church, it being a Sunday. So it's a beautiful day, blue skies.